So Open Table MCC conducts, how do you call it? Weddings.
Holy union.
Holy unions. That's the proper term.
That's the proper term in a country na wala pang marriage law for LGBT couples.
What do you think?
families.
Magkakaroon ba?
Someday.
Someday.
Someday. I believe someday it will.
But what do you think is the biggest challenge to that?
Christian. Specifically born again Christian. Evangelical Christian. So,
but yun nga, they say nga that in the Philippines, parang tanggap naman ang queer. In our everyday lives, it's something that is not an issue yata. Would you agree with that?
there is difference between tolerance because we are a very welcoming people culturally, di ba?
Oo.
We are known for our welcoming ang mga Pilipino.
Mm.
Pero mas medyo insidious siya na parang hanggang dito ka lang. Diba? We tolerate your existence up to a certain degree, but we cannot fully recognize your rights like everybody else, right to family, right to legal protection of the couple, so while mataas ang ating parang celebration ng mga LGBT,
yes,
totoo pa din yung mga karanasan na for example, mayroon akong kilalang couple before na nung namatay yung partner niya, dahil hindi agree yung family, the shared property ay kinuha nung family. So, mentioning Kuya Vince, one of our longest member, nung namatay yung partner niya, si Pastor Egay, he was not allowed to sign any document even though they were 17 years together. And sabi niya nun, para kung binuhusan ng malamig na tubig at that moment, realizing that na hindi kami kinikilala ng batas. So, at the end of it all, I cannot even sign to my partners. So maaaring we are celebrated, but they are really real life struggles of LGBT people. Especially, at least Metro Manila, paano sa provinces?